how I always get like trolls and haters about saying that the liberals are the ones who write all these laws that are soft on crime. I think the people who comment on it, they're probably living back in the 1960s, but in nowadays it really is the Republicans, at least here in Arizona, anyways, who write the best laws for criminal defendants. And today I'm going to talk about one of the laws that Doug Ducey wrote about in 2021, and that was to help the civil forfeiture laws here in Arizona. If you don't know what the civil forfeiture laws is, it was basically if you get pulled over by the police and you get arrested for, say, drugs or something like that, the police can confiscate everything, all that property. They can confiscate your car, they can confiscate the money, they confiscate anything, weapons, whatever that you have along with the drugs. And even if you are acquitted later of the actual crime, the state of Arizona would keep your property that they seized in these arrests. And it was so unfair. And I remember, I've been practicing law here for 25 years, and I had probably a half dozen of these cases, a dozen of these cases. And I remember that the civil forfeiture laws were just so unfair. Well, back in 2021, Doug Ducey signed a bill in Arizona basically saying that if the value of the property is under $50,000, the prosecutors can't keep your stuff if there's no conviction for the case, which makes sense, obviously. But before, it wasn't like that. Before, even if you were acquitted of the crime, they would keep your stuff. Now, you would have a right to a hearing and everything, and you would in the hearings, but the